Changing your payout method on all-in-one Messenger is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Begin by opening the all-in-one Messenger application or website. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select your current payout method. In the payment settings section, you will see your current payout method listed. Click on it to view the available options for changing your payout method. Step 4. Choose a new payout method. Review the list of payout methods provided, such as bank transfer, PayPal, or other options. Select the one you wish to use and follow any prompts to enter the necessary information. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method details, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new settings. Once you have completed these steps, your payout method will be updated. Make sure to check back periodically to ensure everything is functioning as expected.